Welcome to Grammar Video 3. Today we're going to talk about contractions, and we're also going to do a review of everything that we've talked about this week in grammar and connect it to writing. So first, let's look at a contraction. Contraction is a short way of writing some words. Remember, the apostrophe in each contraction takes the place of missing letters. All right, so this chart shows contractions with pronouns. On the left side are the words, and on the right side are the contractions. The missing letter in the contractions I'm, they are, there, and we're is A, and the missing letter in the contractions he's, she's, and its is the letter I. Let's think of a contraction for the underlined word. He is my new friend. Which contraction would you put here? Right, he's, right here, he's. How about I am in his yard? You see it up here? I'm. We take out the A and am and make it I'm. It is a big yard. Here's its right here. Walk through 4, 5, and 6 with your learning adult, and then come back to the video when you've finished those 3. Now it's your turn to practice writing contractions with pronouns. This is found in your reader's notebook, page 148. You are going to write a contraction from the box for the underlined words, just like what we were doing, but this time you get to write them and practice making the apostrophe and adding the rest of the contraction after the apostrophe. So go ahead and do this page, have your learning adult check your work, and then come back to the video when you're done. Let's continue to talk about contractions by turning in your student book to page 194. A contraction is a short way of writing 2 words. This mark, that we know is called an apostrophe, takes the place of missing letters. It is called an apostrophe. So here is them. They gave us some examples using the 2 words, and then they gave us that same example, that sentence, with an apostrophe word, just writing it the short way. So it is a very big truck becomes it's a very big truck. He is helping his dad changes to he's helping his dad. This box is not too heavy becomes this box isn't too heavy. I do not know what is in it becomes I don't know what is in it. In each of these, you can figure out which letter was replaced by the apostrophe. So now you're going to try this. Read each of the sentences in the blue box and write the contraction for the underlined words. You can do this on another sheet of paper or a whiteboard or discuss with your learning adult. But just please pause the video and write or talk about the contractions for these 5 sentences, and then come back once you're finished with that conversation. Our grammar and writing tip is that when you proofread your writing, be sure you've written contractions correctly. Because we need to practice writing contractions in our writing, we're going to practice using some sentences that have mistakes. And we're going to use the proofreading marks. The caret is to add, and the squiggly is to take out. Here's our example. They wrote this contraction H apostrophe ES, and we know that's not right. So we need to cross it out, make a caret, and add the right way to write that contraction on the top. All right, so that's what we're going to do. Let's do the first example. I'm with my new friend. What's wrong with that contraction? Right, we need to take it out. And this is little and my thing is thick, so here we go. We're going to take it out, and then our caret to add. And the correct way is capital I apostrophe M. We took out the A in am and made it the apostrophe. Okay? So you're going to walk through the rest of these examples. This is in your reader's notebook, page 151. And you're going to find all the mistakes that they made when they were trying to use contractions in these sentences.